Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Valencia GLQ. I am super excited. If you haven't been here before, the first time watching me, hit the like button, hit the notification so you can stay in tune in this crazy economic climate. So I want to show you how to create your own economy, right? To be able to make at least 100 plus dollars a day, okay? Whether it's in crypto or USDT or whatever the case may be, I'm gonna get right into it, all right? So just pay attention to this real quick. All right, real quick. This is C12. I call it C12. It's Carnelia 12. It's been around now for 221 days. So that's about 8 months or so, right? Rocking every day, paying out every 24 hours, okay? Well, paying out in 24 hours, but you earn daily. You are able to earn 144% in 12 days, and you're earning about 12% a day. You can't beat that. Actually, I'm going to show you real quick. This is one of the investments that I made. So this right here just shows that I'm earning from one of my tiers who decided to join me. And as you see, look, I'm making $20 a day here on this particular investment, 20 here. My thing is this, right? What I want you to understand is I'm not trying to make you to get you rich. I'm trying to help you put some money into your pocket that's going to help pay a light bill. That's going to help you in a couple of days. Some people living from paycheck to paycheck. So this way you can fill in between, right? Or if you just somebody that's saying, look, I got a vacation coming up. I want to make some money. I want to take my kids somewhere. So in a couple of days, this is what I'll have. In about a week or a month, depending on how my income is, right? My capital, where I want to get started. So I just put a number here. I put 835 because I wanted to show you exactly $100 a day. So if you put in 835, right? $835. And you can start this with as low as $12, but I want to show you $100 a day. Okay. So you will generate at the end of 12 days, $1,202, right? Now you can withdraw every day if you choose. You don't have to, you can leave it there. You can reinvest as you're earning, but it has to be at least $12. So this way you're never coming out of pocket. So what I tell people when you join this is put in what you can afford, right? And in 6 days, you will accumulate at least half of what you would earn in the 12 days. You can click on reinvest and invest just the profit that you made. The rest of it will still accumulate until the 12 days is up. You can have 3 investments running at one time. The main goal is to withdraw what you initially invested and now play with house money. So this way that God forbid, because we don't control these companies, because we have to do our due diligence. Remember, I am not, just want to say this, I'm not a financial advisor. But what I advise you to do is take advantage of something that is genuinely provenly working. I've been with this company now for a little over 2 months and I'm generating income. I have a few people in here who are generating income every day, have no issues. Nobody has not gotten paid. And the main goal is to position yourself to win in this crazy economic climate. So let's change the number. Let's just say you don't have $800 to put in. Let's just say you have $100 to put in. You have $100 to put in, you're going to make $12 a day. At the end of that 12 days, that's 144. And if you're thinking, that's still not enough money for me, but it's better than what you started with, and it can grow. And this way now, once those 12 days is up, you pull out what you initially started with, you click on invest, you put back that 44, or you say, you know what, I want to let the whole thing ride. You can. So you put the $44 in, now you're making $5.28 a day. That's $63 at the end of the 12 days. Listen, guys, this is not about getting rich. It's about a solution, an income solution to help you get through. So I'm going to show you another one. Now, once you get the link, you'll be able to go through the back office, take a look at it, see how to withdraw, see how to add funds. You can withdraw and or get started with it. Bitcoin, Tron, as well as TRC20, right? So you have those options. I'm sorry, you have Bitcoin, TRC, USDT, and Tron. Okay, those are the 3 currencies. Okay, you also get earned if you share with people. You get direct income for sharing it with people. These are, I don't want to put, some people information out there, but it's some of the people that I invested it with. Bottom line is, it's a great way to make $100 a day. All right, so I'm going to show you another quick way. All right. Boom, here's another way you can make 100 plus a day, okay? Most of you probably already know about Builderall. If you don't, it's a phenomenal platform that not only can use to help with any business you have. You want to start a business, you want to create an ebook, you want to put your stuff online, and they can actually sell your stuff for you, meaning that anybody who is in Builderall, even myself, can actually sell your product and you can give me a commission. You set the price, all right? Not only that, you can make numerous funnels and websites. You have different ways to reach out to your audience online. You have auto posts. There's so many different ways. But what I love is the funnel club. All right. If you were to share this platform, this is $199 instantly in your pocket. Do you hear what I said? 199 instantly. And then it's $87 a month if you choose to keep it. But if you share this with other people, you can do the same. You can make a direct commission and then you can make 30% every month. All right. Now, I've been using this platform for about 5 years. So that means I am putting passive income into my sponsors in pocket every month for the past 5 years. Could you imagine? So if you generally run with people who are looking to create a business and stick with it, you have control over their funnels, over their email list, over their anything that they do pertaining to a website and their business, they have total control over. And this is not the only option we have, but this is a great way to once again make that 100 plus a day. Okay, that is my goal, and that's what I want to show you. So when you get the link, it will click on it and it'll take you here. It will show you the system. It will provide you all of the information and what you can do, how many email lists you can do, how you can have auto posting, how you can have mock-ups, how you can create anything that you want. We talk about chat bots for your website as well as Messenger. It can reply on multiple different platforms at one time. It can also set up a schedule for you, right? Let's just say you like, look, I'm going on vacation. Or matter of fact, I like to work smarter. I'm going to set up what I want to post, how many times a week or how many times a month. This is phenomenal. You can set up a whole 30 days. So which means your business is ran on autopilot, hands-free. So this is $199 to get started, but it's $87 a month. But the goal is to be able to generate $100+ a month, because we know plenty of people who are looking in this crazy economic climate a way to start a business. And what great way to have this where you have all the information and tools and training, right? All right, get on to the next. All right, so this right here, this is simple, guys. Now, some of you probably thinking, I don't trade. How is it that I can make $100 a day with this? This is going to be hard. Well, I teach one-on-one sessions. This is Pocket Options. This is the platform that you can use to learn to make $100 or more in 2 minutes, 3 minutes, so on and so on. Some people do 15-second trades, 30-second trades. Those people are excited. I appreciate that, but I can't get on that level. I like to have my anxiety level low. I like to have my structure and my strategy set, my rules, and I go in for the gusto, right? So I want to show you real quick. Now it's 3:35. So the market just already made its move. This is on a 2-hour time frame, so it just went on an uptrend, but it is showing that it is primarily on a downtrend. Our alligator is not as strong. Our parabolic SARs have our candles are close to it, which always gives us another indication that 9 times out of 10 that the market will reverse. So you got to look at all of the rules that you like to have to put in place in order for you to jump into a trade. So this would show me that it's not a good time to enter, right? And also, I also show when the alligator is closed, it's not hungry. And I want to see a hungry alligator, right? It's 83%. So if I risk $100, I'm going to generate a profit of $83. Now we put a little bit more. Let's just say we want to do 130, right? We risk $130. That's $107.90. And of course, that varies because the percentage is going to be different for each pair or stock. So this is Bowen Company. It's a stock, and it's 83% payout. So risking $130 will allow me to have a net profit of $237.90, but $104.90 profit. Okay, by looking at this, it's closing up. Let me see if I can jump on another one real quick, because I'm really trying to make this video short for you guys. I want you to be able to understand real quick how simple it is to make as much money as you want online. You don't necessarily have to have a large account in order to be able to do that, but you do want to have some skills. You do want to know what you're jumping into. Let's see. I'm going to jump in right there. That is actually odd USD OTC, and that's also a payout. I mean, it's also 90%, 92%, which will yield me a profit of $119.60. And can't beat that, right? So let's go back to Bowen. What was Bowen at? Actually, I didn't have it starred, so I'm going to go here and I go to stocks, and I'm going to go to Bowen, which is at 83%. All right, star it, so I put it on top. It's showing that it wants to jump down. It is in an overall downtrend. Ooh, look at that. I did a double. Let's see if we can get a double clear out of this. I probably won't because of this rejection. I just jumped into it. It's normally what my rules are teaching. But the bottom line is that I want to show you how easy it is to put money in your pocket from a skill set that you can learn or because of something that you decide to invest in, like joining in, like I said, either C12 or Builderall, and put yourself in a position to grow. All right. And this is a maybe. That's the Bowen one, guys, because of the way I jumped in, because of it went against the rules, but I was just trying to jump in real quick, which is not ideal. Now, or USD OTC. Look at this. This is phenomenal. Should be a good clear. I am just waiting for this to clear in 46 seconds, 44 seconds. And then that's a net profit, guys. That's $119.60 in 2 minutes because I've risked $130. Now, of course, if your capital is not that high, then you risk what you can't afford. You don't want to put more than you can afford to lose. That you can afford to lose. You want to have proper risk management, which I do teach. But like I said, the other one was I just jumped into it trying to show off with a double clear. But bottom line, you can see I clearly got in at the right position. And this should clear in about 11 seconds. All right. And the key is that if you really know what you're doing, it doesn't take much to win this, guys. So this should clear. I'm in almost, look at this. Bowen, I cleared that one, right? So that one cleared, right? This would be a net profit of $400 and something. And I don't think this would, but it's possible. It can actually jump down. Now I'm back in the money real quick. So in 22 seconds is left in this trade. Let's see if both of them are going to clear. And if it do, like I said, it's a hit and miss. Nobody is 100%. Don't believe that, but it is strategy, and you have to have a set of skills that make it make sense, or don't do it. That's how I look at it. That's the way I trade, and that's the way I teach, because why would you jump into something that doesn't make sense? All right. So I cleared one and I didn't clear the other two. As you can see, just keep, oh, wait, I cleared two and then I missed one. So either way, guys, this is 3 different sources that you could make 100 plus a day. All you have to do is click the links below. If you're not sure how to join anything, if you need some assistance with something, please message me and I'll be glad to assist you. All right. Thank you for watching. Please hit the notifications. Make sure that you stay up on what's going on in this crazy economic climate, because at the end of the day, we want to be able to stand and fight and have a great economy. All right. So I appreciate you. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.